How to make a Paracord Bracelet Beetle Fangs. On the end of this video, if you like it, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back! I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna use this green Paracord 550 and this gold one also 550. Here, as you can see, I joined them together. And the full tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box, where you can find the tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today as well. The credit for this bracelet will be down below in the description box, so check it out. And now we're gonna start. First, I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So now when we created our bracelet core and working ends, we're gonna take our green cord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle between the green and the gold cord and to the side. Now we're gonna take our gold and we're gonna pass it also from the top into the middle. And now we're gonna take our green and we're gonna return it from the right side to the left side through the green loop on the left side. Then we're gonna take our gold cord and we're gonna also cross it through the loop on the right side or through the gold loop. And now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. So again, the green from the top into the middle between the green and the gold cord. The gold again from the top into the middle and to the side. Then we're gonna return with the green from the top into the loop on the left side or the green loop. And as well with the gold from the top into the loop on the right side. So here we are, our today's project is finished, our bracelet is complete. I hope that you like this. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!